In this video I'm going to show you how to do a loop start, which you can do with any number of threads. So I have a pre-threaded needle with 2 strands of embroidery floss. As I say, this can be done for any number. We start by coming up through the top hole of the stitch, and I turn the piece over and I hold a tail on the back. I then go back down through the same hole. This is the stage that creates the loop, as you can see here. I then come back up through the bottom hole and go through the loop. I then pull this tight and then go back down through the top hole again and pull that through. I can then continue to stitch as normal and the thread is secure. When you're finished, you can choose to use your sharp embroidery scissors to cut off the tail. Alternatively, if you were starting on a piece that already has stitches, you could thread your needle under the stitches before you make the first loop for extra security. Thanks for watching.